Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You already have what you need: a Google account and a clear goal. Open Forms. Google. And click the big plus to start a new form, name it, and add a short description so respondents know why you asked. Next, add your first questions. Pick types that match the answers you want, like multiple choice for single answers or short answer for one-line responses. Once done, mark crucial questions as required and make sure to save a draft as you go. This keeps your progress intact. Now you expand and control the flow. Use sections to separate topics so respondents aren't overwhelmed. This increases completion. Then apply logic. Select Go to section based on answer for conditional paths, which makes personalized surveys possible. For precise responses, add response validation, date/time pickers, drop-downs, or file upload fields when needed. Also, customize the theme and header to match branding. This helps recognition. Make sure to preview and test each path from the respondent view before inviting anyone. Finish by configuring settings. Decide whether to collect emails, limit to one response, and allow respondents to edit after submit if required. Link responses to a Google Sheet for live analysis, and turn on email notifications so you know when new responses arrive. Test a full submission and check that the data lands in the sheet correctly. Then share, copy the link, send via email, or embed on a site. Troubleshooting tip: if responses don't appear, confirm permissions on the connected sheet and reauthorize forms access. This resolves most sync issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.